Welcome back to my channel. Right now I want to teach you how to perform multiplication and addition operation with Microsoft Excel or Google Sheet. So right now we have some transactions, item name, number of units, cost per item, and total cost. So whenever somebody fills unit and cost per unit, the total cost will display and the grand total cost will also display. Alright, now let's get the formula for the total cost. If somebody should buy a computer, for example, if he should buy one, cost per item, let's say $1,000, or whatever currency you choose. So let's get the total cost here, and the total cost is equal to unit, which is B2, right, under this, times C2. Okay, that is the total cost. 0, which is nothing times nothing, is 0 because of these two blank cells. Alright, if we should type 3 computers, cost per item 1,000, you see it's 3,000. Now what we do here now is to click and drag this small point here. Okay, let's make it clear. These bullets, this round bullet under, just click and drag it down. Alright, after you are done with this, click on the middle or anywhere inside the highlighted field. Alright, autofill. It means the formula has reflected down the column. So wristwatch, 2 wristwatches, 200 each, cost per item, enter, is 400. Okay, that is it. You can do it down. So let's get the grand total cost. Total, it should be somewhere under here, equals sum of D2 to D8, D2 to D8. Alright, we have 340. Sorry, 3,400. Alright, let's add more. Phone. One phone at the rate of 400. It can be dollars, you can choose your currency. Share 2,000, 4 shares at the rate of 2,000 each. Alright, you see that is summing itself automatically. Okay, table, four tables. Alright, TV, 1, phone, 5. Alright, now let's see how you can convert these numbers to currency. Cost is a currency, total cost is a currency. Now let's highlight from here down to here. I told you how to highlight. Let's do it again. Okay, this small round circle under the box, you click on it and drag it. Okay, now let's highlight. I'll go to data validation. Sorry, not data validation. Alright, this A sign. Then we have this is conditional formatting, cell, number format. Okay, this is automatic. We want to change it to accounting, currency, more currencies, more currency. I can choose this. Currency rounded if I don't want any decimal place, or currency if I want 2 decimal places. Okay, I don't want any decimal places, so I choose currency rounded is dollar. I can choose to add more currencies like euro, pounds, peso. Okay, but let me leave it in dollars. So automatically this appears to be dollar. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more channel. We have our target is more than 1,000 video in learning computer. So with our channel you can become a computer guru. Thank you very much for watching.